What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. I had a bag and I set it down somewhere. Oh well. Yeah, hope everybody's having a great day. We are still mining Ethereum. We have a couple more days left. I went on and took a little vacation, so you know, welcome back to me. And yeah, we'll get back to the old regularly scheduled content, daily videos. And I imagine with ETH going proof of stake, there's going to be a lot of volatility, which means a lot of videos because a lot's going to be going on. So what coin is going to be the next one? I fired all my machines back up, and I'm going to be mining ETH till pretty much almost the end. I'm going to talk about like payouts and that kind of thing because a lot of people are concerned some of their money will get stuck on the pools. Every pool's handling it a little bit differently, but for the most part, it's doable. So anyway, let me run upstairs and jump in the office and let's talk about it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the Ethereum mining profitability chart shows Ethereum is currently at 2.5 cents per mega hash. So it's not bad. Actually, comparing it over the last 3 months, it's up higher than it was. Still not what it used to be. It's not 6 months ago, especially not a year ago. And basically, you'd have to go almost 3 years ago, April, June, and July of 2020. Oh no, to see these kind of hash rates, or not hash rates, but payouts. Now, one thing I did want to pull up here is the ETH network hash rate. We're at 893 terahash. So the Ethereum hash rate is down slightly. I mean, we were in the 1 petahash range, so we've shed off about 100 terahash, but it's still way up there. This is still an absolute boatload of mining power that's gonna no longer be able to mine Ethereum coming up in 2 days and 22 hours. So just be cognizant of that, ladies and gentlemen. Every pool has a little bit different payout setup, so make sure you are going to get your payouts, and then make sure you go ahead and line up what you're going to mine next. I think I'm going to give a couple different things a try, but the first one being probably Ergo, just because I feel like maybe it'll do something, and I need to get a little bit of Ergo. Maybe it won't. I don't know. It's at this point, everything is a gamble. So just take that and do what you want with it. Now, at the end of the day, I am a guy just sitting in a plastic box. So this is not financial advice. Hold on, let me flip this around. Yeah, so like I said, this is not financial advice. Let's bring up a coin market cap here. So we have a $1,752 Ethereum. When I went on vacation, Ethereum was like $1,500. So I come back to a $200 positive Ethereum. Yeah. Now, in retrospect, did I look at Ethereum while I was on vacation so I saw like the whole thing happen? Yes, but I tried not to. Now, Bitcoin being 21,689, Tether being $1. I mean, that's the old top 3 right there. Going further down the list, we have XRP at 35 cents, Dogecoin at 6.3 cents. Where's our Ethereum Classic? There we go, $37.94. Litecoin $61.68. I mean, those are just some of the old school heavy hitters. Let's check out Ergo though. Ergo, there we go. ERG, $4.25. It's actually down 6% in the last 24 hours. Is Ergo on Coinbase? I wonder. Oh, I don't think Ergo's on Coinbase. It's not supported by Coinbase yet. Apparently it's got a 5-star review on Coinbase, even though it's not supported by Coinbase. Add a review. Anyway, so that's where I think I'm gonna go. Obviously, you make your own decisions, all that kind of stuff. I really want to do some Raven coin, but I've already stacked up some Raven coin. I really want to do ETC, but I've already stacked up some ETC. I have not stacked up any Ergo, so I feel like Ergo's like one of those. It's one of those ones, you know. I feel like there's a pool of coins that are. It's make it or break it time, sink or swim. Titanic or Lambos. Not really, but anyway. I'm gonna get back in the swing, the normal swing of things. We'll be back to daily content starting tomorrow. So, you're welcome. Or, I don't know. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here, and I'm welcome. I don't know. It's super late. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Adios.